Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy Talk English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. Great to be here again.
How are you feeling today, Jake?
I'm excited, but also a little nervous. Learning English can be scary sometimes.
That's totally normal, and that's exactly why today's topic is so important.
What's our topic today?
Don't give up on your English journey. We want to help everyone keep going, even when it feels hard.
Oh, I love that. I almost gave up many times.
Really? What made you continue?
I remembered that every small step counts. Even saying hello is progress.
Exactly. So today, we'll practice basic English and talk about staying motivated.
Sounds perfect. Let's help our listeners feel confident.
Yes, remember listeners, mistakes are okay. We all make them.
Even Emma makes mistakes sometimes.
Hey! That's true. Okay, let's start with something simple. Now let's talk about numbers. We use them every single day.
Yes, for time, age, phone numbers, everything.
Let's start simple. 1 to 10. Ready?
Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Listeners, count with us. 1, 2, 3.
I still get confused with some numbers.
Which ones?
13 and 30. They sound so similar.
Ah, yes. Many people have this problem. Listen carefully. 13.
13. The stress is on teen.
Exactly. And 30. 30. The stress is on thir.
So 13 for 13 and 30 for 30.
Perfect. Let's practice. How old are you, Jake?
I'm 25 years old.
Good. I'm 25. What about you, listeners? Practice saying your age.
Numbers are everywhere. What time is it now, Emma?
It's 3:30 in the afternoon.
3:30. I like how we say time in English.
Yes, we can say 3:30 or 3:30. Both are correct.
English gives us options. That's nice.
Exactly. Don't worry about being perfect, just communicate. Days of the week. Let's move to days of the week. These are super useful.
Yes, I use them every day. Monday, Tuesday,
Good start. Let's go through all 7. Monday. Repeat. Monday.
Monday. I don't like Mondays much.
Many people feel that way. Tuesday. Say it. Tuesday.
Tuesday. This one's easier.
Wednesday. This one is tricky. Wednesday.
Wednesday? But we say Wednesday, right?
Exactly. The spelling is strange, but we say Wednesday. English spelling can be crazy.
Tell me about it. Okay, Thursday.
Thursday. Repeat. Thursday.
Thursday, almost to the weekend.
Yes. Friday. Say it. Friday.
Friday, my favorite day.
Mine too. Then we have Saturday. Saturday.
Saturday, perfect for relaxing.
And finally, Sunday. Sunday.
Sunday, a peaceful day.
Beautiful. So what do you do on different days, Jake?
On Monday, I work. On Friday, I'm happy. On Sunday, I rest.
Perfect. We use on with days. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday.
On Saturday, I study English with you.
That's wonderful. What about our listeners? What do you do on Sunday? Now let's talk about objects, things we can see and touch.
Like my coffee cup?
Perfect example. My coffee cup is an object. What else do you see?
I see my phone, my book, and my pen.
Excellent. Let's practice these. Phone. Repeat. Phone.
Phone. Everyone has a phone these days.
True. Book. Say it. Book.
Book. I love reading books.
Wonderful. Pen. Pen.
Pen. Old school, but still useful.
Yes. What about furniture? Chair. Chair.
Chair. I'm sitting on a chair right now.
Me too. Table. Table.
Table. Our microphones are on a table.
Exactly. Now, how do we talk about these objects?
I can say I have a phone or this is my book.
Perfect. I have a or this is my. Very useful phrases.
What color is your phone, Emma?
My phone is black. What about yours?
Mine is blue. I like blue.
Great. Colors make our English more interesting. Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white.
My book is red, my pen is black, and my chair is brown.
Excellent practice. Listeners, look around you. What objects do you see? Food and drinks. Time for everyone's favorite topic, food and drinks.
Yes, I love talking about food. It makes me hungry, though.
Me too. What's your favorite food, Jake?
Pizza. I could eat pizza every day.
Pizza is delicious. What kind do you like?
Cheese pizza. Simple and perfect. What about you?
I love pasta, especially with tomato sauce.
Pasta is great too. Let's teach some food words.
Good idea. Apple. Repeat. Apple.
Apple. Healthy and sweet.
Banana. Banana.
Banana. Great for breakfast.
Bread. Bread.
Bread. I eat bread every morning.
Chicken. Chicken.
Chicken. My mom makes the best chicken.
That sounds lovely. Now drinks. Water. Water.
Water. The most important drink.
Absolutely. Coffee. Coffee.
Coffee. Emma's favorite.
Guilty. Tea. Tea.
Tea. My grandmother loves tea.
Sweet. So, what do you usually eat for breakfast, Jake?
For breakfast, I eat bread and drink coffee.
Nice. For breakfast, I eat. That's a useful phrase.
For lunch, I eat chicken and rice.
And for dinner?
For dinner, pizza, of course.
I should have guessed. Listeners, what do you eat for breakfast? Our last topic is daily activities, things we do every day.
Like sleeping and eating?
Exactly. Let's start with the morning. Wake up. Repeat. Wake up.
Wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Good. What time do you wake up, listeners? Brush teeth. Brush teeth.
Brush teeth. Important for a healthy smile.
Very important. Take a shower. Take a shower.
Take a shower. I love hot showers.
Me too. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast. The most important meal of the day.
Right. Go to work. Go to work.
Go to work. Monday to Friday for me.
Same here. What about evening activities? Watch TV. Watch TV.
Watch TV. I like comedies.
Fun. Study. Study.
Study. Like studying English.
Perfect. And finally, sleep. Sleep.
Sleep. Sweet dreams.
Beautiful. So, Jake, tell us about your typical day.
Okay. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I eat breakfast and go to work. In the evening, I study English and watch TV. I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Wonderful. That's a perfect daily routine description.
It's not complicated, but it's real life.
Exactly. Real English for real life. Motivation. Don't give up.
Yes, this is so important. Learning English can be frustrating sometimes.
Tell us about your experience, Jake. Did you ever want to quit?
Oh, yes, many times. Sometimes I felt stupid because I couldn't remember words.
That's completely normal. What helped you continue?
I realized that everyone learns differently. Some people are fast, some are slow. Both are okay.
That's beautiful. And mistakes.
Mistakes are proof that I'm trying. No mistakes means no learning.
I love that attitude. What would you tell someone who wants to give up?
I would say, you're braver than you think. Every word you learn is a victory.
Wow, that's inspiring. And remember, listeners, you don't need to be perfect.
Right, native speakers make mistakes too. English is about communication, not perfection.
Exactly. If someone understands you, you're successful.
And practice a little bit every day. 5 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
So true. Small steps lead to big progress.
Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday's you.
That's a wisdom right there. Your English journey is unique and special.
And remember, we believe in you.
We really do. Every listener is amazing for trying. Let's do a quick review before we finish.
Great idea. What did we learn today?
First, greetings. Hello, hi, hey, and how are you?
Second, numbers, especially the difference between 13 and 30.
Third, days of the week, Monday through Sunday.
Fourth, objects, phone, book, pen, chair, table.
Fifth, food and drinks, pizza, pasta, apple, water, coffee.
And sixth, daily activities. Wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, sleep.
Perfect. And most importantly,
Don't give up on your English journey.
that's right. Every step counts. Every mistake teaches. Every day is progress.
You're doing great, listeners. Keep going.
Well, I think our time is almost up for today.
Wow, really? Time flies when you're having fun and learning.
It really does. This was such a great conversation.
I loved it. We covered so much. Greetings, numbers, daily life, and most importantly,
Don't give up on your English journey.
exactly. So, before we go, we want to ask our amazing listeners for a little favor.
That's right. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our podcast, Easy Talk English.
And give this episode a big thumbs up, a like. It really helps other English learners find us.
And please share it with anyone who's learning English. We want to help as many people as we can.
Yes, spread the English love.
I love that. And for our question of the day, we want you to practice.
That's right. Go to the comment section below and tell us about your daily routine. You can write 1 or 2 sentences.
For example, I wake up at 8. I eat breakfast and go to work. Or I study English every day. Anything you want.
We would love to read your comments and learn about your English journey.
Yes, it'll be so much fun to connect with our listeners.
And remember, don't be perfect, be brave.
That's our motto. Thank you all for listening today.
Thank you, everyone. It was such a pleasure. Stay motivated and keep practicing your English.
We'll be back soon with another fun episode. Until then, keep believing in yourself.
Goodbye for now, everyone.
Bye-bye. And Jake, thanks for sharing your story today.
Thanks, Emma. It feels good to help others. Bye, everyone.